Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Nkanyusi Dlamini, and I'm here to help you increase your wealth through e-commerce. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Facebook page onto your WordPress WooCommerce site. So the first thing we're going to do is that we're going to head to plugins over here, and we are going to add new. What we'll search for is Facebook for WooCommerce. We're going to install now. Both activated. Now we're going to go to Facebook for WooCommerce. I'm going to click configure. Now I should take you to your Facebook account, and you just have to select the prompts. So you first have to log into the Facebook account. So if you're using your personal Facebook account, you just say continue as whatever profile you've selected. Then you should see a page saying connect WooCommerce integration to Facebook. We say continue. And now you just have to select the business manager that you want to use. And then you can either connect to a Facebook page that you have, but we can create one from scratch. You select your page name. They'll probably use the website name to create the page name. And click continue. So right now Facebook should be creating your Facebook page. You select the page that is just recently created, and then you can connect your Instagram page if you created one. So we haven't created one right now. Skip connecting to Instagram. We'll do that in another video. Then you create a catalog, create a new catalog. Then you select the new catalog that was just created. And then add accounts. So create a new ad account because we're going to need this down the line. Select the ad account that Facebook has just created for your WordPress website. And then this is very, very important. Select a meta pixel. So you'll create a new pixel. Again, everything should be named after your website. Okay, so everything's been selected. I just have to click continue and then give the prompt, what is WooCommerce integration allowed to do? Just scroll down here and say yes to everything. You just go click yes, and then it will start the linking of WooCommerce to Facebook. See, now we're all set, and then the next thing we'll go and create the ad. But before we do that, I'm just going to give you a look at your Facebook page just to see where your assets lie, and you'll be able to see what we were able to do through the Facebook plugin. So you're just going to go, that's my site, redirect me. Now, if you go back to your Facebook page, if you go to the left and you see your shortcuts and you click select more, you'll see the Facebook page that you just created. So I'm just going to toggle through this Facebook page just to show you. So here you go. You can take it to the next level where we're going to edit and add all this kind of stuff, confirm the page, which we won't want to do. We don't want to do this now, but I just want to show you how everything looks. Okay, and here we are. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to edit and make changes onto your Facebook page. It's very important that you have a good looking Facebook page, and then I'll show you how to edit and follow the prompts to ensure that you have a successful Facebook page that's connected to your WordPress website. Thank you very much.